I'm going to talk about MCM. So what's inside? Trying to get a good view here for you guys. First we have my sunglasses case. We have my wallet that I featured not too long ago. Got this from the MCM outlet in California. And again, it's just the right size, so it fits in my smaller bags as well as the larger bags. Don't have to worry about switching stuff around. Let's see. This is my second wallet. It's a Cynthia Rowley blue leather wallet. And I use this to carry all my extra cards, the ones that I don't have to worry about fitting inside my MCM wallet. It's pretty thick. Carry a lot of cards. Next we have my essential faux Gucci cosmetic bag. This is pretty much my carry-all for all essential things. Carry all handy dandy things in here, like floss, tampon, of course. This is a measuring tape, because you never know when you're in the store shopping and you need to measure something. So I carry a measuring tape. Panty liner. This is like wipes, band-aids, first aid type of stuff. This is a mirror. This is a small little notepad that my daughter, when she was like 4, she did all these little drawings in this little notepad. So I thought it was really cute, so I decided to keep it with me. A ponytail holder. What is this? Eyeglass wipe. Scissors. People are always really amazed when I have scissors and I pull them out. Pen. Nail file. Bag dropped. Let's see. Clipper, tweezers, bobby pins, because you just never know. So the majority of really useful things are carried in this cosmetic bag. One day I'm going to have an MCM cosmetic bag. It's definitely on the wish list. Just need to find one for a good price. When it comes to the smaller purse accessory items, I don't like paying an arm and a leg. So I'm definitely going to be keeping my eye out for a good deal on those things. Putting all this stuff back in there. Okay. What else do we have in here? Oh, my keys. This is my key case. Got it from Amazon. Picked the red color, because even if you can't afford the best like designer accessories, like I haven't been able to get an MCM key wallet yet, so you go for what you can at the time, and this is the Amazon key wallet that I decided to get. Now inside, even though this is a bucket bag style, I did get an organizer for it, as you can see down here. And as you can see, I have my other car key in here. This is sunblock. I always carry sunblock in my purse. I put it on the back of my hands because when you're driving, your hands are exposed to the sun, and I don't want any sun damage on my hands. So I always apply sunblock to the back of my hands. I have gum. Lip gloss, of course. I have this color by NYX that I really, really like, and I liked the price of it even better, and it performs really well too. And then I have this Korean brand Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. It works really, really good. Keeps your lips moisturized, and the gloss is not sticky at all. So I really like it. And it smells good and tastes pretty good too. So, you know, in lip glosses, that's important. And I think that's pretty much it in here. You can see the organizer. I have some receipts in there on the side. I'm a religious receipt keeper. And that's the organizer here in the bottom. Fits perfectly. I found that on Amazon, and I was really happy to find it for the bucket bag, because I like my things to be as neat and organized as they possibly can. So one day in the future, I'll do a more in-depth review on this Essentials Floral bucket bag. And until then, yeah, that's what was inside my bag. So hope you got something out of it, for those of you that like to watch that type of stuff. Alright guys, so that was my video on what's in my bag. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm off to run some errands now for the day. It's Saturday, so need to get a couple of things done. Hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please hit that subscribe, like, or leave me a comment. I love comments. I love hearing what you guys have to say, your feedback, video ideas, any of that stuff. Love to hear it. And until the next video for this next week, you guys, stay stunning.